Welcome to H20 Hotel, Manila. Wow! We don't have the seaside view, but we have the fishes swimming. Wow!
Hey babe, there's even fishes on the TV.
Wow!
It's just the TV.
Here, babe. Wow, I like this. Oh, this is only a small tub, babe. And you have mirrors.
Yeah,
These are real fishes, babe.
real fishes.
And you have your shower room.
Yes.
Big shower room, and if you want to poop,
Nice.
it's nice. It's just
We're finally gonna try out the aquarium room.
yeah, because we've been here before, and we have the seaside view
With
or-
the jacuzzi.
With the jacuzzi. It's really big jacuzzi, but for now we have this. But I'm gonna try that later. And you have his office area, babe. Working
Yeah,
area.
I can stare at the fishes.
Well, you're. Ooh. I can use this also when I'm doing some makeup. They have so many mirrors. Sliding. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. And you have your bowl. Your roller.
Yay!
Yay!
Now where's the menu? I bet you're hungry.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. We skip lunch.
We still got time for lunch.
Yeah. Reuse? What's that? Oh, laundry. And we have two remote here, babe. You can work here or there, wherever you want.
Nice. Kisses.
And we have
Kisses, babe.
signs here.
Mwah.
Mwah. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
That's why you said kisses, babe, to end the video. Bye.